Find or read reviews that people are talking of DRYMOKINI Wireless HDMI Adapter, DRYMOKINI 4K, HDMI Dongle, Mirror Screen Display Dongle. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Enjoy 4K Ultra HD and HDR screen. Wireless HDMI dongle supports video resolutions of up to 4K x 2K at 30 Hz, 1080p at 60 Hz, 1080p at 30 Hz. 3D/720p. It offers you 4K ultra-clear images on a large screen by synchronizing your phone, laptop, tablet to the TV, projector, monitor. You can use this wireless HDMI dongle to enjoy an immersive movie experience and share a pleasant entertainment time with your family and friends. Plug and play. No more messy cables, small and light, easy to carry. Just need 3 easy steps: plug, connecting, mirror. Simply plug and play after the first setup when your next use. A portable pocket size, 8x5x1 cm, can be used for family lessons/theater, office meetings, outdoor travel, leisure parties, and more. For Android and Windows devices, these wireless HDMI adapter are ideal for movies and business presentations, even outdoors. For Android and Windows devices, you can enjoy seamless HD series, movies, and live sports with your friends or family members from apps like Netflix, Prime Video, Sky Go, BT Sport, TikTok, YouTube, DirecTV, Hulu, Comcast TV, Xfinity, Vudu, Movistar and more, which support encryption screen projection apps. Mirror and extend mode. DRYMOKINI Wireless HDMI Adapter supports mirror mode and extend mode. Under mirror mode, you can share the most luxurious video and audio with your friends or family members. With the extend mode, the wireless HDMI display dongle allows you to cast video into the TV and play phone at the same time. And other features that video introduce the latest products channel does not recommend. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.